back!
Hi my buddies! Look, where are we today? We are at Minnie Mouse Cafe. But what's this? Minnie Mouse is nowhere to be found. Where are you, Minnie Mouse? Oops! Peekaboo! I see you, Minnie Mouse! Hi, Minnie Mouse! Say hi, my buddies! Hi! Say hi, Minnie Mouse! Hi! Look, who's this? It's Micky Mouse! And what is he holding? He's holding a pink rose! Aww! Is that for Minnie Mouse, Micky Mouse? Oh, yes! Look, Minnie Mouse, Micky Mouse has brought you a flower. Oh, thank you, Micky Mouse. That's so lovely of you. You're welcome, Minnie Mouse. This flower doesn't compare your beauty. You're more beautiful than this flower. Oh, stop it, I'm blushing. Today was a special day for Micky Mouse and Minnie Mouse. They were preparing for a special celebration at Minnie's Cafe. Minnie Mouse, have you prepared the grocery list I have to get? Oh no, Micky Mouse, I forgot. What are we going to do? We are already late. Oh no, that's a problem. So let's see what's Minnie Mouse and Micky Mouse going to do. Come on in to Minnie's Cafe. Minnie Mouse and Micky Mouse sat down at Minnie's Cafe to have a little chit-chat about today's celebration and also had some little breakfast. See? Here's a little pizza shaped like a Micky Mouse, see? And they have 2 strawberry milkshakes. See? Strawberry milkshakes. So they were having a lovely breakfast. But we ran out of ideas. What are we going to do? We have to take groceries from the supermarket. We have to make some fun games for the kids. And we need to make snacks. What are we going to do? We have a lot of stuff to do for 2 people. Let's call a friend. Who shall we call? Let's call Donald Duck. So Micky Mouse started calling Donald Duck. Hello, Donald Duck. Can you hear me? Yes, buddy, I can hear you, Micky Mouse. What is wrong? Do you remember the celebration I've invited you to? Yes, that. We have a lot of work to do. Me and Minnie Mouse can't finish that together. We need a friend's help. Would you come over and help me? Sure, Micky Mouse. I will come over and help you. But I have to leave early. I have to meet my cousins. They are very naughty. Sure, Donald Duck, you can leave early. But please come and help us. We are alone and we need help. The celebration starts in a few hours. I have to go get groceries, prepare games, and also help Minnie with snacks. I can't do everything at once. So Minnie Mouse and Micky Mouse waited in their Minnie's Cafe for Donald Duck to arrive. Beep, 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 beep. Look who's here! It's Donald Duck! Eee! Hiya, friends! I'm here! Wait, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse! Let me park my bike! So he parked his bike and went over to Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. Come, Donald Duck, have a seat on my chair. Oh, thank you, Mickey Mouse. Donald Duck went and had a seat on Mickey Mouse's chair. So how can I help you, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse? I will go to get the groceries. Minnie will prepare the snacks, and Donald Duck, you will help me think of activities for the little kids. And did you prepare the list, Minnie Mouse? Yes, of course I did. Here's the list, Mickey Mouse. Oh no, Minnie Mouse. That is a very long list. Would I be able to carry everything on my own? Sure you will, Mickey Mouse. I know you can do it. I know my love is powerful. So Mickey Mouse went on his own. And the list was really very long. Can you see? It's even longer than Mickey Mouse itself. So Mickey Mouse rolled the list, put it in his pocket, and asked Donald Duck a question. Can I borrow your bike, Donald Duck? Sure thing, Mickey Mouse. Go ahead. So Mickey Mouse ran to get on Donald Duck's bike, and he urgently went to the supermarket. In the meantime, Donald Duck and Minnie Mouse were discussing about the games and the snacks. What kind of snacks can be made for the kids? We can make pies. That's a good idea. We can make pies. What else? We can make pizza. Sure. I make pizza in my Minnie Mouse cafe. That's my specialty. That's great then. So they even thought harder. How about let's make French fries and something healthy. How about a salad? That's a great idea. So Minnie Mouse went to make the snacks. After that, Donald Duck was confused. After Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse left, Donald Duck was angry and confused. How come they left me alone? I don't know how to make kids' games. That's the hardest part, and they gave me the hardest part. What? I don't even like kids. Why would I make games for them? I am going to take a nap instead. So Donald Duck went and took a nap. But oh no! What will Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse think if they saw him sleeping? I hope the poor Mickey Mouse and poor Minnie Mouse make it on time for the celebration. Mickey Mouse came into the supermarket, parked his bike, and got off. I have to hurry, or else I will be late, and Minnie Mouse will be upset. So he ran. Mickey Mouse grabbed everything and ran as fast as he could. Oh, thank God there's no line at the cashier. So he met Peppa Pig's father. Hi, Mickey Mouse. Hi, Peppa Pig's father. How are you? I am good, thank you. Aren't you preparing for the celebration today? Oh yes, we are. That's why I'm here. But It's already too late. Your celebration is about to start. I know. Oh no, there's no staff at the cashier. No problem. I will go and get it for you. So Peppa Pig's father went to the staff room to get a staff at the cashier. Yes, how may I help you? Can you please check in my stuff so I can leave as fast as I can? Sure thing, Mickey Mouse. So let's see what Mickey Mouse has. Mickey Mouse brought honey. So here's honey. So here's a bag. Let's put the honey inside. We have a broccoli. Let's put that inside the bag too, like that. So there's one bag. He also brought popcorn for the kids at the celebration. Here's another bag. He brought corn. The second bag is full already. He bought a boiler. He bought a bottle of grape juice. The third bag is full already. He bought jelly candies for the kids. That's a big box of jelly candies, you see? He bought some butter. Here's a basket. So he fits the butter inside. He brought some blueberries. There you go. He brought a mop. And a carrot. And lastly, he brought 3 oranges. There. Oh no! How is tiny Mickey Mouse going to carry 1, 2, 3, 4 bags and 1 basket of goodies? Oh no! What am I going to do now? I can't carry all of these home, and if I go take them one by one, I will not reach by the celebration. So Mickey Mouse was intense, and he was worried. Suddenly Mickey Mouse hears Cinderella coming. Oh, hi Mickey Mouse! You look tensed. Are you okay? Oh, sure I'm tense. I had to go to the supermarket, get a ton of stuff. I got the giant shopping list in the world I ever seen. And it was only have to be seen on this day when we were getting late for a celebration. And look at me! Puny Mickey Mouse cannot carry all of these bags. And I'm going to make Minnie Mouse upset. What am I going to do? I have no idea. And There's only a few minutes left to reach to the celebration. Oh, I heard about your celebration. I was on the way. See? Everyone must be on the way. And I am here with all the things that Minnie Mouse asked me to bring. There will be no snacks, and I have no idea about the games. It's okay. Oh, I'm sorry, Cinderella. I just shouted at you. It's okay, Mickey Mouse. Nothing's wrong. I understand you're stressed out. I am sometimes also stressed out. And you wouldn't want to be around me when I'm stressed. Well, lucky me, I'm the one being stressed. So, Cinderella helped Mickey Mouse to take all the things in her carriage. What are you doing, Cinderella? I am helping you, and I will make you reach there on time, so that I can wear my favorite dress to your celebration. Oh, okay. So Cinderella and Mickey Mouse carried all the stuff to the carriage, one by one. So the carriage was ready to go to Minnie Mouse Cafe. Cinderella and Mickey Mouse arrived at Minnie's Cafe. Thank you, Cinderella. Would you like to have a drink? No, thanks. I am going to my castle, get my beautiful dress, and I'll be back in a jiffy to your celebrations. So hurry up, prepare for everything, and I will be back. Bye. Bye. Not bye. I'm going to see you soon, little Mickey Mouse. So Cinderella went to get ready and come to their celebrations. Bye, Cinderella. Donald Duck! What? What? Hi! Were you sleeping? Was I? I don't know. I was thinking. About what? About the games. So, what's your idea? Oh, I'm sorry, Mickey Mouse. I didn't think of games. Oh, why? We called you to help us. And I thought you were my best friend. Oh, I am, but you know I have a problem with kids. Still, Donald Duck, I was your best friend. I asked you to help me. You shouldn't have agreed if you didn't want to help. I wanted to help, but I got lazy. Kids, learn your lesson. You should not do that with your friends. I am sorry. It's okay, Donald Duck. But come on, think of some games. Okay, I will. So they hugged out, and Donald Duck ran to think of some games. Minnie Mouse! Minnie Mouse! Minnie Mouse, where are you? Yes, Mickey Mouse, what's wrong? I brought the groceries. You can check them and make your snacks. I am going to help Donald Duck think of some games. Okay, Mickey Mouse. Mwah! Thank you for bringing all the groceries. You're so powerful. You carried all of those bags by yourself. Ha ha ha, it was nothing much. Minnie Mouse, thanks for the kiss. So Mickey Mouse hurried to meet Donald Duck and think of games. And Minnie Mouse started preparing for snacks. Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck were outside Minnie's cafe. Hi! Again? So have you thought of any games? Yes, I have thought of many games. Have you ever played bingo? Bingo? No! Is that a fun game? Yes, it's a fun game. But I have to call Queen Elsa and Anna to borrow me their game. Really? Hurry up, call them. Okay. So Donald Duck started calling Queen Elsa and Anna. He was calling, the phone was ringing, but there was no answer. Oh no, there's no answer. There is no answer, Mickey Mouse. Try calling again. So Donald Duck called again. Tring, 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 tring. Queen Elsa picked up the call. Hello, who is this? And how may I help you? Oh no, it's the Queen, it's the Queen, it's the Queen. Shh. Oh, why you did that? Snap out of it, we don't have time. Oh, hi Queen Elsa, it's Donald Duck. I was wondering if I can borrow your games. Hi Donald Duck. Of course you can borrow our games. You can borrow it anytime you like. Oh, may I ask, why do you want to have the games? We are having a celebration at Minnie's Cafe. And you are also invited. Please come and join us at our celebration. Oh, sure thing, Donald Duck. And now we'll bring along all of the games and toys. Bye. See you soon, Donald Ducky. Ouch! She called me Donald Ducky. So we already have the frozen games. Do you have any other games to play? I have an idea. We can also do some fishing in the pond. Oh yeah, you don't have to worry about that. Queen Elsa is also bringing that game. Oh, that's cool. I think 2 games are enough. We are also going to have some dancing on the dance floor. What do you think? Shall we decorate the Minnie's Cafe for the celebration? I think it's a good idea. Let's start decorating. Suddenly, Sophia came by. Hi, Princess Sophia. Hi, Donald Duck and Mickey Mouse. How are you doing today? Is the celebration here? Yes, it's here. You're on the right place. Wow. It's good that the celebration is outdoors. Welcome to our celebrations, Princess. Please have a seat. I like it that you didn't decorate. It's something different than the normal decoration I see every day in balls and parties. Cancel that plan, Donald Duck. We are not going to decorate. So, all the guests started arriving at the celebration. There was also Peppa Pig's father. Also the stuff from the supermarkets. There was Peppa Pig and her friend. Everyone started arriving at the party. So did Queen Elsa and Anna. So all the guests were already here. So let's have a dancing party first. Everyone was dancing, see? Peppa Pig's father was dancing. Donald Duck was dancing. Mickey Mouse was dancing. George was dancing. See? And Peppa Pig was dancing as well, see? That's nice, right? Black Widow was also dancing. Everyone was dancing in joy. So it was time for playing games. They were going to play Catch the Fish first. Let's play Catch the Fish. Look! There! That was a hard game of fishing, right? Did you have fun? Look at the cute little fishies. Yum, 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 yum. They look so cute. We had fun playing this fish game, didn't we? So, let's give other characters a chance to play. Queen Elsa. Yes, it's your turn to play. Let's begin. Oops. That's hard, right? Oh, so sad, Queen Elsa. You only got 2 fishes. See? 2 fishes. And they are in blue color. So Queen Elsa has 2 fishes. Let's see who else wins. Now it's Black Widow's turn. Here you go, Black Widow. Let's see if you can catch more than Queen Elsa. Are you ready? Let's begin. Black widow caught 1 pink fish, 1 orange fish, 1 blue fish, and another pink fish. Wow, Black Widow won! Yay! So let's play another game. Now we're going to play bingo! We have 3 bingo cards. So Sophia is going to play 1, Iron Man is going to play 2, and Peppa Pig's father is going to play. So let's begin. Let's rotate and see which balls come first. There you go. Wow! Here's the ball. It's number 13. Does Peppa Pig's father have number 13? Oh no! The Iron Man has 13. There you go. And also Sophia has 13. Ooh, there's another ball. It's number 14. Let's see who has number 14. Look! Iron Man has number 14 in the same row. Lucky Iron Man. Poor Peppa Pig's father doesn't have number 14. Sophia also has 14. Oh no, Peppa Pig's father is scared to lose. Let's see another number. Number 17. Let's see who has number 17. There you go. Peppa Pig's father has number 17. There. And Sophia has number 17. Sadly, Iron Man doesn't have 17. Number 1. So number 1 is the 4th number. Sophia has number 1. Iron Man has number 1. And Peppa Pig's father also has number 1. Number 11. Sophia has number 11. Iron Man doesn't have 11. And Peppa Pig's father have number 11. See? So far so good. No one has won yet. Who's going to win? We have 4 more numbers to go. Number 15. Who has number 15? Oh, no one has number 15 on their card. So sad. Number 9. Who has number 9 on their card? Wow, no one has number 9 on their card. Number 16. Who has number 16? Wow, Sophia will win if she has number 5. Who else has number 16? Peppa Pig's father has number 16. Peppa Pig's father will win if he has the 2. Number 2. Oh yes, Peppa Pig's father won. Look, bingo! Yay, I won! High five, Iron Man! High five, Sophia! But they were all upset. No! So the Iron Man went away. No! Sophia also went away. So lastly, Minnie Mouse came out with some snacks. I brought you a Mickey Mouse shaped pizza, everyone, with some strawberry milkshake, jelly candies, some grape juice, honey, blueberries, a carrot, and 2 oranges, finally a broccoli, with some popcorn. Are you excited to eat? Yes, we are. So everyone came to eat. So they were enjoying the party and the celebration. The celebration was a successful party. Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse were very happy. Thank you, friends. This wouldn't have been possible without you. Please like and subscribe if you like stories like this. We will see you again. Bye-bye.